Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, as you all could tell from the title, we are doing a clean with me here in the master bedroom, where I just need to tighten up the space, get it a little bit organized, and just how you like it, or how a queen like it anyway. So if this is something that you guys are into and you are new just stopping by, hello, my name is Valerie. Over here we do all things home decor as well as lifestyle blogs and a little jibber jabber into bougie luxury. And if that's something that you're into, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell. And to all my old royalties, hello queen, hello king, I love you guys and truly appreciate you. So let's get into this clean with me. Alright queens and kings, so first thing first, we is going to start off with the bed, and pretty much I'm just going to take off all the old sheets and pillowcases and everything. I'm going to leave my mattress cover and everything on there, and we're just going to wash the old sheets and pillowcases pretty much and swap them out for clean ones, of course. But pretty much I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video. It's pretty much self-explanatory what I'm doing. I'm not doing like no deep clean or anything like that, because the only other chemicals I will use is the spray away to clean all the glass material, and then some fabric softener or whatever that you can spray over the bedroom and stuff. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, once you make it to the end, please watch it all the way through so you can give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Even if you don't enjoy it, just support me. But anyways, queens and kings, I'm gonna stop running my mouth and let you guys enjoy this clean with me. All right, Queens and Kings, so we have made it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And a room tour will be on the next vlog. So I see you guys Sunday. Remember, your crown may tilt, but it damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.